Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 3, Simba 1. I'm joined by Usocha Ukumkani.
Yeah, Steve Vere.
Amnandi jaya.
Mnandi.
Sure.
Mamela nje mina ngeke ngikhulume kabhaya ne. Into engizoyisho nje iwani ukuthi siya makhosi ne.
Yeah.
There's no need to singaze celebrate into njengalena mfethu yabo.
Yeah.
This was a training for us.
Yeah.
Understand? We came here for a training yabo.
Yeah.
That is why ubona namanye ama player bemele bakore bajike palidi njengabo Modi understand into njengale. But ke bekumele intwana zami zibaprove lamajita ukuthi hayi ne-force ngayifaka 6 7 8 you understand. But ke mina into engijabulele kakhulu Fandako ama coaches wethu I think aya ku drawing board ane alanda lela bhuku lelana babenalo before unaba yokagulelwa umama yangithola bathema bevula leya chapter khona leya chapter le bathema beyivula namhlanje bathi i-crash le madoda le crash le abantu esikhala ngayo understand le crash le na ifuna ukuthi si marinate kakhulu fakani le crash groundini yonke you understand mabadliwe ile crash you understand and mawuthi ubuyela back ama game wonke siwaqale ngale ntwana zonke lesiqalile namhlanje ngaphandle ngo Ecuador you understand ama game akhona so winile first half ama senior players emosa act second half so yiwo ngisho ukuthi akufuneki ukuthi singaze si enjoy into njengalena ntwala bekuyi training for intwana zethu le understand embarrassment lesiyenzile futhi understand angeke amajita so embarrass ngesupport so embarrass egroundini mina bengiqala ukubona iChiefs idlala ibhola liso lele bedlalwa la isuka suka mamela eva mfethu yiwo ngithi yotam ukhaze no Raiden no Mohammed bavule kuleya chapter leya chapter yaspanela leya chapter and yabona if bona abayijumpi la nto leyo yibo bazowenza ukuthi thina siyamakhosi sibaluwise understand into njengale le team yafanda i team esiya kuyo no mele ba qha kancane nje bangamoshi kakhulu but uEcuador so i-striker lesiyana sekumuntu umele ahlale era kwi-number 9 understand abanye bebembiza nge-oxen trailer lana abanye bambiza ngathi ngawo wonke lamagama lawo because ibhola ndoda li-protected la you understand so sekufuneka umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi make qale li-protect athi mina njayamqedelela nawo otherwise mfethu le ntwana lezi zonke sezizonke ngithiwa and futhi ama coaches wethu I think ne team management mele bayikhulume right ngile bangathi ngokuthi sidlala grand bese sebethi asifakeni uSithiba ngoba vele uSithiba udumile ayifuneki right ngile kunama players bengamelanga ukuthi lana bawafakile njengoSirinyo bamphumuze bemele badonse lentwana zonke lezi encane zibe sebhenchini understand lezi ezikrote ezinye zibekwe le side there was no need yiwe ngitshela ukuthi lento besiyenza la idrama ngeke kuzofaka uSirinyo kwi3 sekuyi3 klari mfethu Sirinyo uzoyenza yini and uyamazi uSirinyo yatetema make izinto mazisona vela adlale nje uyangala understand njengale but ke ngiyajabula ukuthi intwana yami bayifakile namhlanje uvele bhayi akazi uziprovile umobe uziprovile now but otherwise mfana ikhosi for life alipheli moya mfethu
thank you so much
ungakulinga ngibuza ama man of the match akwazi wathola man of the match ku training akuna man of the match ku training akuna man of the match ku training thank you